you're in the market right now and you're trying to get a truck, your next truck should be a Ram. And you always got to keep this in mind. Ram are known for their strength, luxury, and innovation. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I'm gonna be telling you guys why your next truck should be a Ram. And before I jump into this video, guys, I want to be able to tell you guys thank you so much. Subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for all the support, and we are getting there slowly. Definitely, guys, I need you guys to help support the channel even more and keep subbing to the channel, man. It means a lot to me. I appreciate it, and I definitely mean it from the bottom of my heart. What? So let's get right into talking about why I feel like your next truck should be a Ram. And I'm gonna give you guys my reasons, because these are strictly facts that you could look up yourself. Yes, I know I own a Ram, and I do currently have a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7, the blacked out edition. And Ram definitely been a truck that I own. I had a Ram before 2006. It's a truck that I pretty much own, and I like them. And I'm just strictly gonna give you guys some of the facts about why you should get a Ram. And after that, I'm gonna pretty much base my own personal experience and opinion on why I think you should get a Ram. So I know Ram is like one of the most hated truck a lot of people talk bad about. But today I'm gonna settle down. I'm gonna be giving you guys some of my reasons and some facts on why your next truck should be a Ram. So Ram trucks are known for strength, luxury, and innovation. If you don't know, that's definitely a fact. And I know there's gonna be a bunch of smart guys out there who gonna say what they need to say about Ram, but Ram is definitely one of the best making trucks out there. With me, honestly, I say top one for me. Looks, luxury, and definitely strength and stuff like that. Ram is definitely definitely the best way to go. I can't talk right now, man. It's like 95 degrees right now, and I'm sitting in my car. Don't got my AC on right now, but it is a little bit windy, so try and get some nice sunlight. And one thing about the Ram trucks is that they all come in different model, and they all suit your needs. So whatever needs you have or whatever preference you have, there's a bunch of different kind of models out there. That's one thing that I like about the Ram. They have a lot of different models that you can pick from and choose from whatever you decide. For what I understand, when I'm talking about the Ram, I'm not just strictly talking about the gas. So I'm also talking about the diesel. So if you know, definitely Ram trucks are definitely the best trucks out there that you could possibly buy, I'd say. From what I understand, the Cummins diesel Ram are the best that you could buy. Also, that right there, a bunch of people should, if you have a common sense with diesel trucks, this and that. I know there's the Ford, Chevy guys out there that's probably gonna disagree with what I just said, but it is what it is. Cummins is definitely one of the best diesel trucks out there that you can buy. Also, one of the things that I find kind of interesting too, if you like a person like kind of like me and you love the outdoors and stuff like that, I think the Ram is a perfect fit for you. It is the most lifestyle trucks of the big three and stuff, meaning it doesn't really excel at hauling or towing, but it does excel at related activity stuff that you like to do and stuff like that. So that's one of my reasons why I definitely think that your next truck, if you're in the market right now and you're trying to get a truck, your next truck should be a Ram. And you always got to keep this in mind. Ram are known for their strength, luxury, and innovation. So that's definitely dope, you know? I know a lot of people might feel like this might not be true or whatsoever, because there's a lot of competition out there with Ram, but Ram's trucks are with the best in-class towing. I'll say they definitely are one of the best in-class towing, and their trucks are definitely solid trucks. And I personally, with my experience over the last couple years, I had a 2006 Dodge Ram before I got a 2014, and they pretty much basic maintenance was a solid truck, and it wasn't diesel. This was a gas truck, and pretty much I personally tow. I hauled some stuff with it, like some heavy stuff, and it was on a lift though. It was on a 6-inch lift, and with some, mud tires on there, and it definitely didn't let me down. They didn't have any kind of issue with it over the last couple years that I had it. The only issue I had on it was obviously when you start to get to higher mileage. These are stuff that's you should expect that. Number one, you're gonna need to change basic stuff like, your water pump. That's one of the things too that goes out on Ram. Once you start getting to that higher mileage stage, those are things that you got to change after like a few years, and once the truck is over 100,000 miles. And it's not anything that's pricey. The truck served its purpose with me, and basic oil change, pretty much brake pads. And that's one thing I like about Ram, that they also have a solid transmission too, especially for the 8-speed, and it was an 8-speed. The only thing that, to be real with you guys, the only thing that I dislike, this is with like the older models though, like the 3rd gen. So it was a 2006. Where I'm at down here, it snows a lot too. So, and it's, wintertime, there's a lot of salt on the ground. Also, that doesn't help with, trying to keep the truck clean. So I was dealing with a lot of rust issue. That's with any kind of metal. At the end of the day, metal gonna rust out. If you leave it unclean or whatever, this and that, it's gonna rust. So that's not just like a problem with just Dodge Ram. That's like a problem with any kind of trucks out there, anything that's metal pretty much. But so these are my reason why your next truck should be a Ram. And there's a bunch of different kind of facts out there, things that you could look up yourself before obviously making the decision. But I'm a Ram owner, and I'm just keeping it real and not trying to sugarcoat anything. There is a downside to everything out there. There's a downside. So, but if you want one of the best looking truck, solid strength, luxury and innovation, definitely Ram is the best truck that you can go with. But that's gonna be it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Definitely subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Peace out.